In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Artflow AI subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for so you can confidently manage your plan without any confusion. First, start by logging into Artflow AI. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, the one that's currently on a paid plan, so the subscription details you see are accurate. If you use multiple browsers or devices, it helps to sign in on the one you normally use for Artflow AI so everything looks familiar. Once you're in, you should land on your main dashboard where you can access your projects and settings. Next, look toward the lower left corner of the screen for your profile. This is usually displayed as your avatar or a small user icon. Clicking your profile opens up your account area and settings. If your display is compact or you're on a smaller screen, the icon may look minimal, but hovering over it or selecting it will still reveal the menu you need. Take a moment here to make sure you're in the right place. This is the hub where your account preferences and billing options live. Inside your profile area, you'll see your current plan information. This section clearly shows which subscription you're on, your billing frequency, and the status of your account. Right here, you will also see the option to cancel. This is the dedicated control for ending your subscription, and it's designed to be straightforward. Before you proceed, scan any on-screen notes around this area so you understand how cancellation affects access, when changes take effect, and whether your current cycle remains active until the end of the billing period. If you're working on ongoing projects, it's a good idea to review anything important before you make changes to your plan. Check whether you want to keep certain outputs, settings, or prompts handy, and read any details about what remains available after canceling. The plan section often explains these points clearly so you can make an informed decision without surprises. To recap, the path is simple. Log into Artflow AI, click your profile in the lower left corner to open your account settings, and view the subscription area where your current plan and the cancel option are presented. Everything you need to manage or end your plan is right there in one place. That's it for this walkthrough. If you found this helpful, feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a quick refresher. Thanks for watching and take care.